Welcome back to Fam Life TV. It's me, Kari.
And me, Mac.
And we're doing another hair tutorial, starting with this right here and transforming it to
this.
Yes, doing a little bit of hairline restoration. Yeah, it is nice. And we're going to show you step by step how to do it. We like to call this the fill-in technique, or I like to call it the sprinkle technique, and you're going to see why. Now, watch our other tutorial, our man weave tutorial, if you want to see how we started with this glue and with drawing on the hairline. All right, so watch that one, but we're going to start this video right here.
All right, at this point, when installing the glue, you just want to be sure to add the glue right to the line. Do not go past it. Just make sure you put the glue right there on the line.
Yep, and that's going to make sure the hairline is nice and crisp. And right now, what I want to do is show you guys our featured comment from our last man weave video. Here we go. Thank you for showing us all this love. So take a look at this comment now. And if you'd like to be featured on our next video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Yeah. All right, and the glue is already going to start drying on its own, but we're going to get started with applying the hair. So what I'm using is Jamaican twist braiding hair. And I really only use about 2 strands for this whole process. So I just want to take a piece of hair. I'm going to take my clippers and I'm just going to start to trim the hair and letting it fall naturally into place onto the glue. And this is why earlier I told you I like to call this the sprinkle technique, because we're really just sprinkling the hair right on top of his head. And you're going to start seeing the coverage that this creates, y'all. This is amazing.
And at this point, I'm sitting here. I really don't know what to expect, so I start to feel a little nervous, a little anxious. I'm just kind of like covering my eyes right now, but it's really because I don't really want to see what's going on.
You were covering your eyes so that the hair wouldn't get in his face. He trusts me.
Yeah, I really do, but I'm just a little nervous right now.
Yeah, I understand.
Let's admit, I am.
And I understand that because we're trying a new technique. Yeah. This is only our second time doing a man weave video, and so we try something new. So make sure you subscribe, because we're going to be trying all different types of techniques. Some will work for you, some may not. So making sure you subscribe to our video so you can try out the different techniques with us. As we learn, as we grow, you'll learn and grow too.
Yes.
No pun intended when I say grow, since we're talking about hair. Okay, and as you see, as I'm applying this hair and I'm just letting it fall onto his head, you see that I'm not being super careful or neat, because we really want it to look natural. So you kind of just let the hair fall in place.
This technique, I'm going to say, is way easier to apply than the other video where we did the, what was the name of it?
The wave and fade.
The wave and fade, okay? I'm going to say that because, like, the hair, if you look at the video now, it kind of looks a little uneven, but once the hair is applied and everything is finished, the hair comes out really nice and even. And on the sides, you can't really see it right now, but the sides where the real and the fake hair meets, it looks more realistic, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so for all you professionals out there, you know to keep your client's face clean. But for the semi-pros and for the newbies like me, I just use a towel. But right now, you just want to pat down the hair. So the glue is still not completely dry. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and pat down the hair gently. You don't want the glue to really seep through, so you gently pat it down just to keep everything in place. And once I did that, I just saw some areas that I needed to fill in. So that's what you see me doing right here, just filling in some of those areas, and I'm just kind of patting down as I go. Again, not too hard because you don't want to make the glue seep through the hair.
And right now I'm just sitting here, wondering how everything looks. I'm one to eventually look up in the mirror. Oh, there I go. I can see it now. So I can see some hair up there, and I can see that we're almost done. So I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling real good.
All right, so once again, just dusting him off, making sure he's comfortable. And now it's time for the cut.
Let's do this haircut, y'all.
All right. All of you know that I am a beginner with these clippers, but I don't know. I feel pretty confident because Mac lets me do this, so I'm feeling good.
Yes, the clipper skills have definitely gotten better.
I really don't know how, though, because I have not cut your hair since that last man weave video.
I don't know.
But I think I just feel better about it because now I know what to expect. So it takes a lot of trust to do this. If you're letting your wife or your fiance or girlfriend do this for you, you know, just be patient, have some trust. Know that you were bald to begin with anyway, so you really have nothing to lose. Right? Yeah, you can start over.
Just start over.
But this has been just an amazing process. I think all you couples out there trying new things like this, it's really cool for the relationship too. Just, you know, new experiences. So definitely try it out. Again, make sure you comment and tell us what techniques you're trying. Look, he took the clippers from me, but I took them back. So anyway, we're just gonna continue to cut, and again, you can cut this as low as you'd like. Of course, your clippers are not gonna cut through any of the glue, but it should cut fairly low with this process. And you can see when he puts his head down, you can kind of see the scalp still, which is great. I love that about this because it is so natural looking.
Yeah, that's what adds to that natural looking effect. You know, no one's hair is perfect, so this is not perfect, but it looks really good.
And I think you said earlier that the sides really look a lot better too, where you blend it with your hair and the fake hair. I mean, it just blends so seamlessly. All you got to do is really make sure you get a color hair that matches your hair. And then when you're sprinkling it on, it just falls like real hair. And that's why I call it the sprinkle technique. But you can call it, yes, but you can call it the hairline restoration or fill in. I like to call it that too, because you fill in some of the bald areas or thinning areas. Remember, guys, if you're not completely bald at the top and you're just thinning out in certain areas, you can definitely use this technique.
This is good for you too. I also like to call it the comment, like, subscribe. So please do that.
All right, so right here, we're actually going to show you what this would look like if you only had certain areas that were thinning or balding. So basically right now, I just saw some spots that I left out. And so watch how easy this is to fill in using this technique. This is what makes this technique so amazing. Look at this. Yes, and all I'm doing is taking some of the hair that I already cut, and I'm just picking it up and putting it right into those areas.
The application is very easy and it looks really natural, as you can see.
Yep, so make sure whether you have the majority of your head is bald, or if you just have some thinning areas. This technique, I mean,
it's pretty cool.
It's cool. This is it. Look at him. Look at him. Check it out. Check it out. And then I'm gonna try to get this part a little better. All right, and here I'm just gonna sharpen up the hairline. Just imagine if I had some edgers. So any of you out there that's used to doing your hairline and you have those edgers, just make this part nice and sharp. Let's go. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. Make sure, like always, you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Fam Life TV on our next video. Bye.